Hi guys and welcome. In today's video, I will be taking you along with me as I decorate my dining room table for Thanksgiving. Now, I know that Thanksgiving is a little ways off, but honestly, it will be here before we know it. And it's such an important dinner. I really like to go the extra mile to make the table setting that much more special. So I hope that you'll stay tuned, and then once I have decorated the table, I will share with you guys a quick and easy do-it-yourself craft of creating these adorable pine cone turkey placeholders. So stay tuned for that. It's just a great way to add that extra personal touch and help your guests feel welcome. Here are all of the decor items I will be decorating my dining room table with. Most everything I already owned. I did buy a few items new this year. This table runner I got from HomeGoods a couple years ago. It's kind of like a bluish gray, and I just love the sparkle shimmer to it. It's gonna go really well with the colors I will be decorating with. I plan to decorate with silvers, golds, and whites, and I just really think all of these colors are gonna complement one another. And the floral I got from Michael's this year. This pedestal candle holder I got from Kohl's a few years ago. These pumpkins, I purchased these white ones from a local grocery store called Kroger. I really love the shape of these pumpkins. They are just so cute, and the color is perfect. It's not like a super bright white. It's a little bit more of an antique white. This silver pumpkin I got a couple years ago from the Dollar Tree. I really love the sparkle to it. These pedestal candlesticks I got from, I believe it was At Home. I purchased those a few years ago, but I really love the shine. I think it would be considered like a chrome, but I really think that will complement all of the decor. This candle I purchased from Kirkland's last year. I really like this, the rope attached to it. It just gives it more of a rustic look. And these candles I plan to use as pedestals. These I got from Kirkland's last year, but I really love the bark on the outside of the candles. Again, it just adds that touch of a rustic look, because overall I would like to have the table decor be a little more of a rustic glam look. Here are the turkey placeholders that I will be showing you how to make. These are so adorable. They are so easy to make, but you could place these like next to your table setting or right on top of it or on the napkin, however you want to place them. And then you just put the name tag right inside the pine cone, and it's just so cute. So stay tuned for that, and I will show you how to make these. These charger plates were a really good deal at the Dollar Tree. I got 6 of them, all for $1 for the 6 of them, which is a phenomenal deal. These placemats I purchased at HomeGoods. I got these a few years ago. The stemware I also purchased at HomeGoods a few years ago. And finally, this burlap I plan to tie this on the backs of the dining room chairs. I'm not sure how that's gonna look, so we will see if I use it or not, but that's the plan. I'm planning to tie these on the backs of the chair. Again, it's gonna add that touch of a rustic look. And then it also will go along with these burlap ribbons that I attached to or tied to these candle holders. I'm not sure if I will keep these on the candle holders or not. I'm gonna kind of just place everything and see how it looks. going to demonstrate how to create this adorable turkey placeholder. It's so easy. Really all you need is a pine cone, a bag of feathers, a glue gun, and a pair of scissors in case you decide to shorten, or that way you can cut your feathers to whichever length you prefer. And I've already selected some of the feathers that with the color scheme I want to go with. Of course, you can pick any color feathers that you want to use. And all you do is simply apply glue to the pine cone wherever you want to place the feathers. I always like to plan it out first before I start gluing, of course. So these are the feathers I've selected, and I just simply like to plan it by putting it on the pine cone to see what it will look like. I will place the feather kind of in the middle from the top to the bottom, and then just work my way around, attaching or gluing each feather to the pine cone until you have the turkey tail look that we're going for. So as you can see, this one, for example. Here is the completed turkey placeholder. Now for the name tag, I created mine on the computer using Microsoft Word, using their labels template, but you can create yours however you like. If you'd like to handwrite it, maybe you have really good handwriting, you could do that. It's whatever you prefer. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video.